over. Very good. This way. And breathe in and out. Good. Oh, that was a good one. One more time here. In and out. Good, that's all we're going to get there. Okay, now turn on your side facing this way. And we're going to roll you this way. Slide this way just a little. Good. Very good. All right, now go the other way. That feel all right?
Yes, oh my gosh.
Very good. Good. All right, let's cross right here. Good. Very good. What do we got here? Nice and easy. Just relax right there. One more. Good. Same thing going this way. One more. Good.
Yep. Okay, lift up just a bit. Did you find this on YouTube?
No.
My husband,
Oh, that's right.
he watches Jeff quite a bit.
Yeah. There you go, boy. That was one for the ages.
Whew,
Yes, ma'am.
that was a little rougher than the first time, but
Well, it just got down deeper because the first time we broke loose some fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue, so now I'm able to go a little bit further.
yes.
Okay, let me have you here. Oh, yeah. Crack eggs be loving you. As we move up into our lower thoracics here. Oh, yeah. Like a bowl of Rice Krispies, I'm just pouring on the milk. And on what you would like to see treated. Now let your spine kind of sink with gravity there. Yeah, just let it sink all the way down in there. That's it. Keep going. Just like that. Yes, sir. There we go. Now see, you can see that curvature in his spine right through here. So we're going to adjust right into that curve, straightening that up. Yes, sir. Told you I was going to get them all. Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little in this next one. Slide down this way just a little bit for me. That's it. There you go. Okay. Now just relax your hands on your stomach for a moment. Let me have this leg. Oh yeah. Moved earth on that one. Okay. Let me have this leg limp too. There you go. Super. Should have felt that from your knees all the way up to your lower back. That's a good laying on that table. Okay, Brandon, just keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose.
Oh!
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Now
man.
you know why I call it ring dinger. I just rung your bell, didn't I?
Yeah.
Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
All the way.
Yes, sir. Let me have your neck here. Oh, man. Shoot, you might have to pay extra for that crack.
For real. You got it.
Yep, breathe through your nose. Just like that.
Oh.
That's why we call it ring dinger. It rings your bell every time, doesn't it?
Whew. I felt stronger than the first one.
It's because I broke loose that fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue on that first one this morning. There you go. Looking. Okay. That's it. Okay, get out all those. Okay, relax your hands on your tummy for me, Ross. There you go. Boy, that was a homer, too.
Ooh.
Felt that one all the way up, didn't you?
Oh, sure did.
There we go. Okay, good.